this is, you know, a tax deed that was purchased in North Carolina. This was purchased for $9,276. You know, we can see some of the kind of details in it, you know, about 2,000 square feet. The county has a value of about 87,000.
But clearly, it was a pretty good deal. This one looks nice.
Well, you can see that it needs some work, but it definitely has a plenty of value when they picked it up for, you know, $9,200. Now, one thing I was looking at it, you can see that it needs work. Obviously, we have some stuff boarded up, but what I was concerned about was, you know, is the roof okay? And you can see that the roof, you know, probably can use some things to it, but it does have a newer roof on it, and then it's also brick, and it's valued at about 144,000.
Yeah, we're suckers for brick homes. We do love, you know, a little small brick home like that. And the roof on it is a good sign. Even if it needs additional work, at least you have somebody that was investing money into it to, you know, to fix the condition, to make it more usable. And so that's usually what we're looking for. Just signs that somebody has invested some money into it at some point to care for it.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So if it picked up for under 10,000, has a value of 144,000, let's say 150 once it's rehabbed. You know, let's say that they put 40,000 into it. You know, they're into it at 50,000, they have a chance to make 100,000. Even if they were to put, you know, 80,000 into it, they'd still have, or 60,000 into it, they'd still have, you know, a good opportunity to double their money, if not, you know, triple their money, depending on the deal.